Hey, what's up, Dan? Quick demo video for you for your Oggdo killer. Working on this for the past couple days, just got it done. We got this installed with the Proffie V2. This is the board that you provided me. And then put some CCSabers LED pixels in here for the main PCB. And then I do have a crystal chamber that I put in here. I don't know if that's gonna focus. There's a crystal in there that you'll be able to see better once it all lights up. All right. And then to get to everything, what you want to do is open your handle right here. It unscrews from this coupler right here, not the main handle. If this handle will twist, but it won't unscrew. So you want to make sure that you're unscrewing this piece right here. And just unscrew it just like that. And then we pull this handle right out. And then here's your chassis. It does say Oggdo killer over here. And then Solo Sabers over here in Airbrush, you know, for me. And then you can see your Proffie board down in there. Easy access to your micro USB, but if you wanted to get to your SD card, you'd have to pop this board up a little bit. So this chassis is just a press fit into this Saber. It's not adhesed or locked down with a set screw in any way. So if you carefully pull it out, you can get to your board that's just a snap fit down into the shelf there. And then when you put it back, you can put it right back. You need to make sure that you put it exactly like this though. I've got this guy to where the battery fits inside the Saber as much as it can possibly go and still be able to take in and out from the removable battery system right here, or the battery cradle. It's a very tight fit in this handle. This handle is kind of deceiving. There's not very much room in there. There's exactly that much room actually, right, where you see the speaker stop right there, and then the rest of it is taken up with just the back part of the greebly and everything else that's going on back here. So I had to make this chassis extremely short so that I could do this setup. I think this Saber was actually probably intended to have these cutouts right here as the speaker vents, and then your speaker would be sitting right here. But I didn't want to do that, right? I wanted to put the crystal in the inside the cutout, so that's what we did. So let's throw a battery in. This is a one button setup, by the way, sorry. One button setup, so everything happens from this top switch right here. Spring side is your negative in this guy, and the spring side is down inside the Saber. The battery is an extremely tight fit because I make this cradle just a tad smaller than I usually do so that I could fit everything in, but it does go just like that. And then we'll slide your handle right on and we'll lock it down. And then everything tightens up just the way it should.
I'll cast this.
You got your Fallen Order sound font on there. You can see your crystal. So hopefully you can see your crystal in there. It's got kind of a heartbeat to it. Maybe. And then when we turn it on, and we just tap the button for blast or deflex. Hold the button down to turn the blade off. And then we double tap to get to your soundtracks on each font. And then do the same thing to turn it off, just double tap. Just like that. We'll throw a blade in. I'm not going to use the blade retention because this is an extremely tight fit into this blade socket. So it fits my Saber really well without having to do that. But your blade retention is right here in case you ever need it. Hopefully that's picking up good. Nice flash on flash, blast or deflex, hold the button down to turn it off, and then we will hold the button again when it's off to go to our next sound font. Kind of the same heartbeat type of a thing I did with the crystal here. And I just try to mix it up a little bit with your crystal chamber. So this chamber on this font's actually orange. This is your fire blade. So a red crystal on the fire blade. Turn that off. We'll go to the next one. This is your Ancient Integration sound font. Go to the next one.
I will give you so much more.
This is Hexagal.
What could you give me? Everything.
You got a nice unstable blade on this one and a slight flicker to your crystal. We'll go to the next one after this. We'll skip this one too.
Electro blade.
Your electro blade. Now you got a blue crystal here. I tried to mix it up a little bit with all these. So you just have a little bit of variety. And we'll do one more.
Dark Jedi.
Dark Jedi. So this is a pulsing yellow crystal right here. And then it goes to solid when you turn the blade on. And we'll turn this off. And take the blade out. So everything's working like it should. Then to get the battery back out, what we want to do, same thing, right? We'll just unscrew the handle. Just like that. You might need a tool to come over here, like a Lego tool or just like some piece of hard plastic to come over here from the positive side and pull this out. I didn't bring one out here with me, but this battery is extremely tight in here, so you probably won't be able to get it out with your finger. But anyway, that's your safe battery out off camera. Just let me know if you got any questions. If not, I will get this out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right.